what's going on? JT here. I am on the beach, kind of right by the St. Francis Yacht Club. I'll pan over this way. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge is just behind me. I came over here because I had hoped to see if the long-tailed duck that I saw the other day was still here. This is not a bird that you're likely to see in San Francisco very often. Maybe just a couple of them roll through here every year. Came and looked over the seawall, and lo and behold, voila. Let's go for a walk with a long-tailed duck right there. I think that's awesome. I am just loving, absolutely loving watching this long-tailed duck do her hunting. Like 5 feet from the beach, just right here. It's wild, absolutely wild. It's a migratory sea duck. It's a northern bird. Definitely spends a lot of her time up in much colder places, northern Canada, Alaska. Silliest thing, man. That totally made my day. Maybe it's not the silliest thing. Maybe that's exactly the way it should be. Just recognizing how incredible some of these animals are and how unique it is to see some of them in certain places at different times. I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah. Maybe I'll even throw some photos in here just because. Why not?